This is how you use the original with the booster seat facing you. Check our other tutorial to see how to insert it. Adjust the back strap. It should sit low on your back for support. Open the buckle. Fasten the waist belt and secure the back buckle and Velcro. Put the carrier on over your head. Open the magnetic buckles fully. Place your baby facing you. Place the baby's legs inside the openings. Close the magnetic buckles and adjust the straps. If you don't want the straps hanging loosely, you can fold them together using the turquoise elastic. That's it! You're all set for your next adventure together.